Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you the Sunjoe pressure washer in action. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cleaning the house today. I'm just gonna show you how this thing works, and I just put 25 degrees nozzle tip on this, and I'm gonna use it for washing, and it's very powerful, guys. Very effective cleaning these floors. Alright, so as you can see, it's easy, effortless. Even with the top grime, I can still clean it with these. Alright guys, so as you can see, and I'm gonna use this one to clean the window. I usually want to clean the house, so I decided to get the Sunjoe washer pressure device. Okay, and also I tried to clean these ceiling with the top and grimes. This one is basically worse flooring, so I can easily clean it. Alright guys, that's how strong these Sunjoe water pressure are. Alright. I'm using the 25 degrees nozzle to clean the wall, because otherwise if I use the stronger one like a 15 or 0, it might remove my you know, like the paint, like I did on the ceiling. It actually removed some of the paint on this guy, so I don't want to use 0 degrees on that, only for these top grime. That's it guys. Very impressed and love the Sunjoe water pressure washer. So you can see this is very dusty and now it's clean.